This tutorial shows the reviewer how to select and submit reviews. Now let's search and select titles. In your dashboard, you'll see a listing of available titles. With each title, you'll have an option to view it in CLCD, in Amazon, or in WorldCat. This simply gives you a synopsis of the book and usually tells you how many pages the book is. If this looks like a title you would like to review, simply click Select Title and then click Close. If you change your mind about this book, you can also unselect it by simply going to Selected Titles, look at the title, then go all the way to the right and click Unselect, and then Close. Now, that title does not show up in your queue. Titles cannot be unselected once they have shipped. Now it's time to submit your review. First, you'll go to Manage My Reviews. When you receive a book, it should say Shipment Confirmation. Please do that first. Then, when you're ready to review, click Ready to Review. Choose a star rating, 5 being the highest. Any similar titles that match this book. You can list as many as you'd like. Then choose the minimum age for the readership, along with the maximum age. It doesn't necessarily have to be the ages that the publisher recommends, but you'll find they are fairly close. Any keywords associated with this book. The more keywords you select, the easier it will be for readers to find this book in CLCD. Now it's time to choose topics that occur in this book. Again, the more related topics you choose, the easier it is for the reader to find the book review. Now it's time to insert your review. Here's a tip. Create your review in another document so you can do things like editing, spell check, Grammarly, any of those options to make it easier once you submit it. And once you copy and paste your review in the box, you'll notice we only inserted the review. There's no need for ISBN numbers or author names, anything like that. This is just your space for your review. Now click Save, Close. Now you're ready to submit. Click Submit. Are you sure? Yes, okay. And close the other pop-ups that may arise. Now go back to Manage My Reviews. You'll notice this title now is under Submit for Review and no longer considered in progress. It's been sent to the editor. Comments and revisions. Occasionally, a review needs a few revisions. The editor will send it back to you. You'll find this under Revision. To know which title, go to Manage My Reviews. and you'll see the word revision within the box. Go to your comments section to view the comment about this review. Now select Manage My Reviews again. Select Ready to Review. Scroll down to your review box. You'll notice the comments are below and the first version of this review. Your review will still show in the box. And to make changes, you'll want to select Edit. Make any changes necessary according to the comments. Click Save, Close, Close. Then Submit.